It's no secret, this has been a tough year. Your support and partnerships is what makes Owensboro Community and Technical College the community's college. We've graduated over 465 students this year, and you stepped up, made an impact, provided opportunities to remove barriers to student success. We were able to give over $150,000 to 117 students in scholarship for this 21-22 academic year. Your support not only provided funding for scholarships, but it removed student barriers such as food insecurities, transportation issues, charging stations. During the COVID crisis, students could not get in these buildings. They had to socially distance. They had to learn in a safe environment. Funding for equipment and innovative technologies and innovative programming is what sets Owensboro Community and Technical College apart. Working with you, our donors, our partners, our employers, makes it possible to meet these students where they are and take them to where they want to be in meeting their goals and objectives. We want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts. You stepped up in a time of need to help Owensboro Community and Technical College and help our students be successful. Your continued support and generosity is what sets this community and this community college apart. Continuing our partnerships with you allows us to continue meeting our mission, providing a skilled workforce and educational and transfer opportunities for our students. Thank you.